Hi, my name is David Sickles. Welcome to FE on the Road.
This video is sponsored by Bauer, Heavy Duty Bearings by NTN. Visit powerofbauer.com for more information.
TPMS tools are vital when it comes to the routine maintenance of any truck. But like all electronics, sometimes it just seems like there's a ghost in the machine. When your TPMS tools start malfunctioning, is it time to invest in new ones, or is there a better solution? Oftentimes, the tool itself is just fine, but it's the software that's outdated. Outdated software is often confused with a malfunctioning sensor. However, the sensor is only as good as the software of the tool that triggers it. The good news is that this issue is completely manageable and the fix is available right in your shop. Tool manufacturers use updates to fix bugs and improve performance. TPMS is also becoming more and more advanced as the demands and expectations of both trucking companies and fleet managers become increasingly demanding. If your truck is equipped with programmable TPMS sensors, those sensors' coverage is only as good as the last tool update you had. Tool manufacturers work closely with sensor manufacturers to make sure that any new coverage offered by the sensor is available on the tool, but in order to have the best coverage possible, those updates must happen all the time. Some TPMS tools today are equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities that allow them to automatically update. This is a great feature and huge time saver, and keeps you from having to manage the update on your own. If you don't have a Wi-Fi capable tool, consider appointing one person as being the one who's responsible to register the tool and to keep that tool updated. Also, make sure the tool is registered with an email address that is being regularly monitored. While you're at it, make sure you're on the email list of both your sensor and tool manufacturers. Most manufacturers send emails when there are new updates on their tools. These will remind you to update your tool and provide information on new coverage and features included in the update. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.